Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we will go through the project overview. This includes understanding the project introduction, which defines the business problem, the solution steps to address this problem, and finally, the expected outcomes of the project. Let's begin with the project introduction. We are dealing with the data from Maven Market, a company facing significant challenges in tracking and analyzing their key performance indicators, in short, KPIs. Maven Market struggles with inconsistent KPI reporting across various departments. This inconsistency leads to a lack of coherent insights into critical areas such as sales performance, customer behavior, and product effectiveness. In simple terms, this situation makes it difficult for the company to make informed decisions and resolve the issues promptly. To address these challenges, we will use Power BI and follow the solution steps. Getting data. We will start by connecting to and gathering data from various sources. Data transformation. We will clean and prepare the data to ensure it's ready for analysis. Data modeling. We will create data models and establish relationships between datasets to provide a unified view. DAX functions to calculate KPIs. We will use DAX functions to perform advanced calculations and gain deeper insights from the data. Data visualization and reporting. We will build visualizations to represent the data clearly and effectively. Analyze and interpret KPIs. Finally, we will analyze and interpret the KPI data to produce actionable insights and better understand performance metrics. The expected outcomes of this project are centralized KPI reporting, a unified system for KPI reporting across all departments, improved sales insights, better visibility into sales performance and trends, enhanced product analysis, more accurate analysis of product effectiveness, automated dashboards, dashboards that automatically update providing real time insights, actionable insights, insights that can guide decision making and improve overall business performance. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.